call me Manzel for short. So before we tackle our new topic for today, can everybody please stand up? Okay, Mr. Lumabao, can you please lead the prayer? Alhamdulillah, thank you. Good morning, class. Okay. So how is it you're feeling for today? Okay, very good. Very good that you are all fine today. So, Miss Secretary, can you please observe who is the absent for today? Okay, very good. No one is absent for today. So, before taking your seats, kindly pick up the trashes around you or under your chairs. Okay, thank you. So now, class, before we dive into our proper discussion, can someone tell me what is our topic last meeting? Okay, Ms. Casimira Luna. Very good, thank you. So yes, our topic last meeting is about biography and autobiography. So now, before we proceed into our topic for today, let's have read our objectives. Okay. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to define what a diary is, identify the different types of diaries, and appreciate the importance of keeping a diary in everyday life. So, before we going to explain this one, let's have our first activity called the memory challenge. So, in this activity class, I am going to ask you to list 5 things you did yesterday without looking your notebooks. Again, list at least 5 things you did yesterday without looking your notebooks. Okay, are you done? Okay, Miss Johanna, please stand up. So what are the 5 things that you list on your paper? Okay, very good. So my question for you is, how did you feel while trying to remember the activities you did yesterday? Okay, thank you so much. Please sit down. Okay. Miss Audrey, please stand up. So what are the 5 things that you list on your paper? Okay, thank you. So now, my question is, why do you think it is important to keep a record of our daily experiences? Yes, very good. It is important to keep our record daily. Okay. So, that activity is also connected with our topic for today. So, let me introduce to you our topic for today, diary and its types. So, diary is a personal record where a person writes or records experience, thoughts, feelings, activities, and important events. And now, let's have our types of diary. So first we have here the food diary. So food diary, it is records the foods and drinks consumed daily. So that means food diary is a type of diary, basically a daily record of the types of foods and drinks consumed by a person. So usually in order to estimate the calorie consumption. So when taking the calorie consumption, a person can see how far he has come in his weight loss struggles. Next one is a sleep diary. So it is record sleeping and walking patterns. So this type of diary is a log of a person's time spent sleeping and walking. So possibly including other information usually done over a period of many weeks. So generally, sleep diaries are kept by the patient, having given by the doctor, psychologist, counselor, and etc. So ideally, they are used for diagnosing the people with sleep disorder. For instance, they're having narcolepsy or insomnia. Next one is the travel diary. So travel diary, it contains experiences and observations during travels. So that means travel diary is a diary include many records made by voyagers. Generally speaking, these diaries are centered specifically around the process of where the person has traveled, usually including their experiences that occur along the way. Next one is the exercise workout diary. So it is records the physical activities and fitness progress. So this type of diary where one explains the exercise he has recently done. So including the duration of the workout and possibly other information, such as how many calories he believes that he has burned or how he felt after the workout. Next one is the prayer diary. So it contains prayers, reflection, and spiritual experiences. So this type of diary is something that holds a person's thoughts and feelings concerning life, with the hopes that a greater being will look good at you. Next one is the audio diary. So audio diary, it uses the voice recordings instead of written entries. So this type of diary utilizes spoken words, not written words. So many people use tape recorders or voice recorders to talk about the parts of their life that are most fascinating, with each event progressing to the current situation. Next one is the creative writing diary. It contains stories and poems, lyrics, and drawings. So this type of diary are used to record the stories, poems, and lyrics to songs or drawings. So oftentimes, for example, people get quotes that come to mind spontaneously and they record them in these types of diaries. Next one is the personal writing diary. It records the personal thoughts, feelings, and experiences. So this type of diary is people write their thoughts about anything they want. So for example, someone may write about the crush he has on a girl. So that is the example of the personal writing diary. Next one is the memory diary. So memory diary, it keeps memories, photographs, and important life events. So this type of diary allows people to place precious photos, love details about their thoughts, behavior, and emotions for events that are most important to their lives. So the topic or put into this diary are things that may be explored in the future. So that's all for our topic for today. Now, let us see if you really understand what is our topic for today. So we have our application called Diary Detective. So for instructions, each group will be given strips of paper containing different situations or diary entries. Identify the correct type of diary being described. Okay. So for this activity class, you will be divided into 2 groups. So each group will give you the strip of paper containing different situation or diary entries, and I will give it to you. Okay. For the first group, this is the first group and the second group. Okay, for the first group, yes, read. Today I ate fruits for breakfast and vegetable for lunch. Okay, so what is the answer? Okay, very good. The answer is food diary. For the second group, I visited beautiful pages of Palawan here. Okay, so what is the answer for that? Travel diary. Thank you so much. So let us assume that we already done our application. And now let's have our assessment. So I am going to read the direction. Identify the type of diary described in each statement and write your answer before each number. So number 1, use to record foods and beverage consumed daily. So what do you think is the answer for that? Okay, so this assessment, you can write it on your 1 full sheet of paper, and I will be giving you 5 minutes to answer for that. Okay, are you done? Okay, very good. So please pass the papers in front. Okay, so now for our assignment. Create your own diary entry consisting of 5 to 7 sentences and choose one type of diary and write an example entry on 1 whole sheet of paper. So the assignment is you can write it on your notebook, and I will collect them tomorrow. So, that's all for today, class. Okay, please stand up.